Artificial intelligence, AI, tries to make computers think and act like humans. It refers to the development of intelligent machines that can perform tasks usually requiring human intelligence. You probably already have experience with AI, asking voice assistants like Alexa and Siri. For example, plenty of the apps on your phone also use AI. Artificial intelligence is no longer confined to the tech industry. AI is on the rise across industries. From healthcare to finance, manufacturing to retail, AI is revolutionizing how businesses operate, enhancing efficiency, productivity, and decision-making processes. In any organization, people and technology need to coexist. You must adapt to this changing job market to succeed. You don't need to understand the intricacies or the inner workings of any AI programs. A basic understanding of AI and its applications will give you a competitive edge in any career you pursue. Embrace AI to make a difference, be it your tech or non-tech career. This AI course helps you not just learn AI, but test drive it. Enjoy an immersive and interactive experience in simulated workplaces. Interesting quizzes help you learn more about the company and technology. Embedded YouTube videos provide you with great insights for better understanding. Bite-sized learning, with related pictures, makes it easier for you to comprehend and retain the information. From knowing what AI is, you learn how it solves real-world problems. Have fun and get hands-on experience in exploring AI training models. Finally, take a test, obtain the certificate, add it to your resume, and get hired easily in any career you pursue. Join us, and let's embark on an exciting AI journey together.